Hey there, it's Tuesday again and it's time for some Tuesday thoughts and tips. So let's talk about experience or having an experience to create a business. So most are hesitant to start a business because they think they still don't have the experience. And hear me out here, my friend. You know what? In business and entrepreneurship, you create your own experience. You don't wait for somebody to give it to you. You don't wait for destiny to unfold it for you. You create it. And that's the beauty of entrepreneurship. There are no qualifications, no interviews, no resumes whatsoever. You are your own critic. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing for you, but for me, it's liberating. It's doing things at your own terms, and that's how life should be, right? So way back years ago, 6-7 years ago, when we started Empire Events, we didn't have experience in running or coordinating a wedding. We had experience for school events, but not for weddings. And being a wedding coordinator, a wedding planner, you should have the experience. So what we did, we created our own experience. We put ourselves out there. We looked for clients who would trust us during our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth weddings. And we told them that we are still beginners, we are still trying, but we assured them that we will give them the utmost service that we could. We allowed ourselves to commit mistakes and we made sure that we learn from those mistakes. We always make sure that we are better coordinators and we are better wedding planners compared to our last wedding. So we always evaluate every time we have a wedding, what went wrong, what went well, what can be improved. It's just it. We created the own experience for ourselves. Remember, every professional was once a beginner. Everybody started somewhere. And what makes the difference is that when you will start. So my challenge for you this Tuesday is, how can you create experience for your own self? How can you give yourself the experience that you think you need for you to start the business? Is it changing your mindset? Is it learning your skill? Is it putting yourself out there, doing pro bono clients? Whatever that is, do it. And I tell you, your future self will thank you for that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday.